Hello everyone. Alex here. So I was seeing a watch of today, um, and the comments were really bad about it. But the design, the look is really cool. At least I did like it. So I decided to order, unbox, and review. So let's start with this unboxing thing and see what the hell did I got this time. Okay, more. Okay, more box. Well, at least can say they did care to pack it, so it's well packed. That's a good thing. And it comes in a proper box, not the usual one, right? Got a good feeling about it. Let's see. It's light, very light, really light. Okay, that's worrisome. Right, here we go. There's you. These you. Have you ever heard about it? Manual inside. Also well packed, protected. Really nice. Okay. Oh, it looks really good and dirty. Hopefully it's just dirty. A plastic in here. Seems to be. How the hell do I remove this plastic? Fine. Right. Okay. Right. Now I understand why. I haven't thought about that. It's a carbon fiber case, which makes it extremely light. Wow. Okay. Um, Give you guys some light. I forgot to turn it on. Cool. Right. Okay. Look, it is nice. I know I've heard people saying it feels too light, so it feels cheap. But you have to take in consideration this saying is carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is extremely light. Um, Also, it comes on this strap, nylon strap, which is also extremely light. I wouldn't say the feel of it is cheap. I think it's actually quite well made. It's open back. Let's remove this other plastic. They claim to be sapphire crystal. Right. Usually Japanese, Chinese movements are on market, so you never know which movement you're using. Okay, let's adjust this thing. What time is it? 12:55. See if this thing works. Right. Quick set date. It does works. Right. I'm a bit impressed, to be fair. I won't tell you now how much I paid, but I'm a bit impressed. For what I paid, it's well made. I don't know what people are saying. They're talking rubbish. It is not bad. It is not bad at all. Okay, guys, well, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna remove my tracker. And I'm gonna wear this thing for a week. See how it goes. And then I can give you a proper review. Okay, cool. Look on my wrist. Looks really nice. I like it. I really, really like it. Okay, gonna stop the video here. Gonna wear for a week. Next Tuesday, I'm gonna do the video, talk about it, review, and am I seeing something on the dial? Seems to be something on the dial. I'll check. Anyway, and I'll let you guys know later on. Right? Okay.